Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Today we are going to do a presentation on legal matters here move to suspend KPU SIF. Our groups consist of Angga Wirayuda, Dia Sicilia, and myself, Auralia Fierli Anandiri. We are making this presentation to fulfill the assignment for this English class. A. Problems are things that can remove the head of the KPU. The problems that can lead to the removal of the head of the KPU is that if the election is not transparent, the implementation of a non-transparent election will create a dispute over information or election data between the public and election participant and the KPU, because the more transparent the electoral system and process will further improve the quality of democracy. So that the principle are full open heartedness and fire does not demand the possibility that in the administration of elections there will be information disputes, because information must encourage the KPU and the community to create greater and wider transparency in the electoral process. In resolving disputes over election result, the Information Commission has a role in the aspect of the public's right to information. Aspect of the public's right to information in the administration of. B. Problems that happen during the election. Basically, there are a lot of problems at the KPU, but here we take one problem, namely the ballot box containing the missing ballots for the presidential election. Indication of phone were also found in South Sumatra. The South Sumatra KPU state that 5 boxes containing ballots for presidential and vice presidential candidates and 5 polling stations in Canton Laut Village, Talang Kelapa District, Banyu Asin Regency were missing and there were both were unknown. The head of the South Sumatra KPU, Kelly Maria Sik, that currently a joint team from the KPU, Bawaslu, and the police were investigating the case of the missing ballot box and ballots. It's gone. I don't know if it is really gone or where it's slipped or miscalculated. What is missing is the box and ballots in the same truck, Kelly said. The polling station that did not receive the ballots for the presidential and vice presidential candidates were DPS 09013. More or less, there were 1,364 DPTS who were unable to channel their voting right for the presidential vice presidential election. As a result of this incident, there were 2 polling stations that want to continue the 4 legislative elections without presidential, vice presidential elections. However, the other 3 polling stations decided not to vote until all the ballots were complete.
C. Due to the above problems, the result of the problem above is that the public lost their right to vote, because more or less the TPS that did not receive the ballots for the presidential and 5 presidential candidates were TPS 9 until 13. More or less, there were 1,364 DPTS who were unable to channel their voting rights for the presidential, vice presidential election. D. The action of the Commission is Banyuasin on the problem of loss of voting full text. The Banyuasin KPU took action by looking for excess ballot papers for the presidential and vice presidential candidates at other polling stations and managed to collect 1,000 ballots. He said his party would conduct further voting at 2 polling stations and follow up at 3 other polling stations. The mechanism, said Kelly, is that KPPS will submit recommendations to PPPS, which will be continued to PK and Hiroshi Kelly to the Indonesian KPU. Follow-up voting is carried out a maximum of 10 days after voting day. According to Law Number 7 of 2017 concerning voting and PKPU Number 3 of 2019. A. Law concerning voting group. This problem includes acts of eliminating other people's voting rights, or Article 260, because ballots are the main key to voting, because ballots are only made by the center and cannot be photocopied arbitrarily. F. Effect to the community if this problem happen again. The effect on the community if the problem is the loss of ballots. They felt like they had lost their right or disappointed because of the negligence of the officer, but else had to wait for the next election. Even though at the time they were busy or whatever. But they immediately left to carry out their obligation as good citizens, but are referred at the general election place. And apparently, the writer was lost. Some of our group there is a wrong in your reading. Sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.